Hello everyone, my name is Esteban and this is another project for web development front end. So I have been working on this project which is called for a travel agency. So it's very simple, the project, just making a landing page about all the information you need to book a very nice trip for you. Mm, I'm using new tools here, a new plugin, so I can make a small server which is called Lite server. So I can be working on real time, making changes, and it's gonna reflect those changes in the website. So it's very cool because that way I can speed work. So I can just initiate it, and in that way I can see pop up the website here in front of me. So basically what I did was just some changes in the CSS and using new CSS attributes. For example, adding new fonts directly from Google Fonts. So how can I make those calls and put it inside the CSS file? And also some new attributes such as the flex and the flex columns, the flex grid system, which helps to align the elements like when you do in Illustrator, where you can align the items and you can have evenly distribute space between the items, so which is very great from for menus or for alignments of columns or elements that are in columns. So it is great. Other things I have been learning with this project about as well, it's the use of CSS selectors. So this is great because inside my code there are some elements. For example, in this section ID authors, I have the article element and the figure as well. So if I want to change specifically those ones and not affects all the articles of my project, I can really do it's the CSS selector, which can just changing a little bit the items I just need from that specific areas. So which is very great. Um, Overall, just learning new tools like text decoration as well, which was part of the image that the designer sent to make the website. So those little changes, text decoration, text alignments as well, and how I can integrate libraries. That's true. I make libraries as well. So how can I make folders and bring images or resources into the project, and how I can make those calls and put it inside the CSS. For example, I can see some images I add. So how you do those ones? You do it through the background image and making the writing of the address of the image. So in that way I can add it to the project, and once it's working the project, you can just add it. The project is gonna automatically add those images. So I think it's a very interesting elements and very interesting tools and learning through the project. So I hope to see more about how I can grow as a front-end developer. So thank you, I really appreciate it, and see you